This is Live 5 News.
Right now at 11, we want to alert you to a line of storms that will be coming through the area tomorrow. There's a risk for thunderstorms, strong winds, even a tornado.
Potentially nasty stuff. The same system caused problems for some of our southeastern neighbors, as you can see here. We'll show you the damage in just a few minutes.
But first, let's get on over to Chief Meteorologist Bill Walsh, live with us in the First Alert Storm Center with the latest on this, Bill.
Yeah, guys, we've been watching this. Gave you the first alert really yesterday on the storm. We tracked it through the morning with Joey, and as we continue to watch it, it's going to continue to be something we're going to keep a close eye on overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning. Here's the upper level storm system right here. A lot of energy riding out ahead of it. And what we've got with this as the track, I'll zoom out a little bit. This is the track of the upper low. And as it does, it's going to continue to pull up warm air on one side, cold air on the other. On the surface, we've got a cold front just out to our west. And again, all of that unstable air riding out ahead of it with strong winds in the upper atmosphere. We've got the potential and the ingredients for severe weather. So we're going to continue to watch that as we roll into the early morning hours. Adjusted the time a little bit, backed it up a little bit to about 7 a.m. Anytime after 7 a.m. we're going to have to watch this pretty carefully. Let me zoom in. This is the Storm Prediction Center area that we could see some certainly strong to severe thunderstorms, pretty much all of South Carolina. Now, as we kind of zoom in right now to what's happening, we do have some showers and thunderstorms, nothing severe, or at least between now and 5 or 6 o'clock and 7 o'clock in the morning, but we do see some showers right there. We'll zoom in here just a little bit. A couple of showers moving to parts of Colleton County, even a scattered thunderstorm possible overnight tonight. But the major situation will be tomorrow morning. We'll watch that line. Let me give you the first alert on that. We'll use our future tracker starting at 6 in the morning. Can't rule out some stronger thunderstorms right along I-95 by, say, 9 o'clock, 7 to 9 o'clock in the morning. A line of showers and thunderstorms could be moving through the area. So we'll wake up with you and we'll be watching First Alert Super Doppler during the morning hours. Even by 9 a.m., look at this, still some pretty strong storms, even on up toward the coastline, all the way up to Georgetown. And then by, say, lunchtime, it starts to pull away. There might be a few leftover showers. And then a little later into the afternoon, it starts to weaken and pull away. So the window of opportunity for tomorrow is certainly in the morning. Let's go ahead and do this. We'll go to the threat board as we do each and every time we have severe weather approaching. The threat of severe thunderstorms is going to be pretty high, 9 out of 10. Again, with that, some heavy rainfall, gusty winds, and some dangerous lightning. The threat of tornadoes, about a 3 out of 10. Again, that's not 0. It's actually elevated because we've got some low-level wind shear, wind directional changes at the lower levels, some pretty strong winds as well. So we're going to watch that. These might be what we call low-top storms, but we can't rule out a tornado or two. And then in the wind department, we're going to keep that pretty high as far as wind damage from potential winds 25 miles an hour, even higher, gusts around storms that are moving by rather rapidly. So here's what to expect. Severe showers and thunderstorms. The timing is tomorrow morning from a little bit after sunrise, around 7 o'clock in the morning through about 2 o'clock in the afternoon, in particular between around 7 and lunchtime. We'll continue to watch it right here. We'll have more on that and when it will cool off with your 7-day forecast in just a few minutes.
And parents, listen up for this. If your child goes to Horry or Georgetown County schools, they will not have school tomorrow because of that threat of severe weather. Students, meanwhile, in Williamsburg County and some students in Florence County schools will be released early. The Horry and Georgetown school districts will be closed for students and all employees. That includes all after-school activities, too. A Charleston County District spokesperson says that they are watching the weather carefully.